Hey Vatos, how's it going? This is Angel with Vapewaves and Subarus. I want to thank you all for clicking on episode number 4 of our Project Rally build. On the last episode, we ended up installing a new radiator, ended up installing new radiator fans. We ended up replacing the bad fuel pump with an aftermarket Deathworks fuel pump, and installing an exhaust manifold and starting up the vehicle for the first time. So this is very exciting stuff, knowing that the car is actually running and it's actually a good engine. So the next step is going to be doing a complete timing service on the vehicle. I am going to be replacing all the timing pulleys, the timing belt, and the water pump. I will also be replacing the valve cover gaskets and the crankshaft seals and the oil pump seal, just to make sure that whatever possible oil leaks might already be in the vehicle, I can prevent it. I think this is a very important part of the whole build. If I don't do this correctly, then it could end up causing me some money along the way, so I want to make sure I do it right. I'm also going to be replacing the harmonic balancer, because as I showed you on the last video, it does look like garbage. So yeah, but yeah, very exciting stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm taking off the valve covers to try to do the valve cover gaskets. It's just the condition they're in, but inside, not bad at all. Better lighting. Yeah. Not bad at all. Alright, so here's the other one. Pretty clean. I am very happy. All nice and clean. Alright, so I'm finally done with the valve covers. Take a look at that. Yeah, they're so pretty, huh? It was actually pretty easy replacing these. The hard part was changing this. That door lock was such a pain. That whole contraption right there, plastic clips that are just so annoying to work with, but did it. Got a working key. Gotta say, it's been a pretty good day. Still got a lot of work to do, but at least something's getting done, right? This thing has to be replaced next. Look at that. Yeah. Well, we'll see. Alright, so this took a little bit of time, but as you can see, timing is complete. There's a notch right there. Notch right there. And pulleys. Yeah, real happy with it. Alright, I was a little nervous because the AC fans hadn't turned on yet, but they just turned on in a little bit. So, the car is officially good. I'm about to drive it. Already burped the radiator. And she's been idling really nice. Well, there you have it, guys. We are all done with the timing service. We're done with replacing all the seals, and the engine is running strong. I am very impressed with how everything turned out. I was really nervous doing everything that I did because I've never really had to do this much work all at once. But let me tell you, it's just so exciting to have that engine running. I feel like I still need to go test drive it. I gotta make sure everything's good, there's no leaks or anything like that. But overall, I'm just so hyped to be able to drive this thing. And I still have some stuff to do. I need to remove the interior. I need to replace the brakes. But really, as far as the build goes, this was probably the biggest thing to do. So I feel like everything from now on is kind of just gonna be gravy work and little details, but we're getting close. We're getting really close to where I want to be, and really close to being able to actually go and race this thing. And I'm just so excited, I cannot say it enough. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out in the description. I got my Instagram, I got my Facebook. I'm making the Vapewaves videos, making the City Pop videos, so go check those out. I do have my link for my Patreon as well if you guys want to help me support the build. I do pay for everything. I'm not sponsored or anything, so I gotta pay for everything myself. You know how it works. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Like, subscribe, share the video, man, if you guys are enjoying it so far. But yeah, I'll catch you next time, vatos. All right, laters.